Mowing is dangerous because you don't want to cut your feet off, but there are new dangers. Have you ever seen little birds chasing a big bird in the sky, trying to keep it away from their nests? Well, when I mow, they chase me. Okay, I won't hurt your baby. Don't dive on me. I won't hurt him. Yeah, I know. I'm almost done. Really close. You must be at this tree. Oh, see you. There you are again. Oh man, stay away. Okay, I only have a little bit left. Make it a loop. Stop that! Stop! Look at my lines now. Come on. Whoa. I barely made it out.